In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Typeform survey. So in order to do that, what we can do is we first need to head over to typeform.com, click on the this get started, it's free in order to sign up, or click on the this sign up button to be directed. Or if you already have an account, just head over and click on the this login. So on my case, since I already have an account, let me head over and click on the this login option right here. Now here is my actual dashboard. Let's head over and create a new form by clicking onto this. And then after we have done that, this will create a type form for us. So just wait for this. In here, you can start from scratch, import questions, or generate questions using AI. For example, let's just use AI in order to make things easier, but you're also free to choose between these two. So in this case, this will ask in here the actual options that you have. It can have for all forms, lead qualification, personality quiz, and the likes. In this case, let's choose in here for all forms. Input right here your form. So for example, let's put in here student research topic selection survey. Now click on continue and add in here important topics. So for example, let's put in here ranking. Let's input right here morals. Let's input right here achievements. So you can input right here the goals or topics that you wish to include and click on this generate questions. And after that, this will craft our survey for us. So in here, just wait for this to specifically load. Now, as you can see, it has created our survey for us. It does give us this ranking schemes. We also have in here this questions that we can type. Is there any gaps and receive updates and likes. So you can also change in here the actual answer format. It can be short text, video, ranking, rating, and the likes. Head over and share this in order to finish this. So that's how you create Typeform survey. Hope we helped.